Bills had to win to stay in the playoff picture. Kyle Orton to Scott Chandler. The Bills are down just 2 early on in the fourth quarter. And with that defense, you think they can get it done?
Yeah.
3rd and 22 for the rookie Derek Carr. What up, Holmes?
Wow.
It's Andre Holmes.
Wow.
51 yards on that on 3rd and 22 against that defense.
Wow.
And then Carr with the short pass and the touchdown for the Raiders.
That's the Bills' defense that shut down Aaron Rodgers last week.
How about that?
And Peyton Manning before that. Couldn't stop Derek Carr. But the Bills trying to stay in it. Orton. Robert Woods. Go get it, young fella.
Nice throw,
That's
man.
And the Bills are back down just 2.
That's a nice pass.
So what do you have to do? Onside kick it, but who's going to get it?
Wood.
C. Wood, who got his
Hall of
60th
Famer.
career interception earlier in this game, preserves their 3rd win of the year and knocks Buffalo. Bills had to win to stay in the playoff picture. Kyle Orton to Scott Chandler.